Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashley and I'm a second year vet student at St. George's University, and I am going to be taking you with me today for a day in my life as a veterinary student. Today is actually a pretty slow day. I only have 4 hours of lecture, 2 hours in Veterinary Public Health, 1 hour in my exotics course, and another hour for my intro to clinical medicine. It's not too busy today, but I do have quite a bit of studying to do for my final exams. Those are coming up faster than I originally thought, and it's crazy that we are already getting to this point in the term. But at the end of this video, I am also going to mention how many emails and text messages I get in one day, because I've been getting a lot of questions like, actually, how busy are you when you're in vet school? I wish it was just the classes that we dealt with, but we deal with so much more than that. And I wanted to show you what my typical day looks like and how many emails I get, how many text messages. It's going to be a pretty fun, productive day, so I am going to get some dishes done and laundry done before I head to campus this morning. It's around 10 o'clock, so I am going to get some sleep, but I just kind of wanted to go over how everything went today. As you saw, I was on campus for a long portion of the day, just because I wanted to study on campus and be away from my apartment. But I had a total of 20 messages today, and also 15 emails. I think I only had to respond to a few though today, so it was actually a quieter day, which was nice. So I could solely focus on studying for my finals that are coming up in a few weeks. Overall, it was a pretty good day. It's just been kind of a tough mental day. So I've been doing a lot of self-care as much as I could this evening. Took a shower early. I even had some ice cream, which I haven't had in a while. And I just made a sandwich for dinner because I wasn't feeling too hungry. And I did get one of my quizzes done on Sakai for my surgical skills lab that is happening tomorrow. We are doing hollow organ suture patterns, so that will be really fun to do tomorrow. I'm pretty excited for the lab. And then after that, I do have a Q&A panel that I'm doing for the university with pre-health advisors from the US again, but this time it's just on campus, so we're not getting really a dinner tomorrow. But it's still going to be a lot of fun just to take a break from studying and talk with some more people about what makes SGU so special and why they should recommend our school for their students. It's always unique to talk to them because they're from all different types of backgrounds, all different schools, different states. It's really nice to get to speak with them. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more. We are getting super close to 100 subscribers, and I would greatly appreciate that before this term ends or before my term 5 starts in August. I do plan on making a lot more content, especially with my clinical year coming up soon. That's going to be a whole nother process, and I'm working on doing stuff during the summer, like setting up some externships, figuring out my top 4 schools. I hope you all have a great night, and I will see you next time.